Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, today with a show and tell. Okay, these earrings that I only have 3 pair, and they pretty much are the technique and the way that they're made. All 3 of them are made the same way. The only difference is the fabric. These earrings are called roots, and my daughter, for those of you who watched that video, she named those earrings for me. So they're called roots, and I'm just going to show you this. I like the ones that I'm getting ready to show you. Is like these are like my spring and my summertime earrings. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so these earrings are all made with African print fabric. So this is the first pair right here. And my daughter modeled these in the video, if you all remember seeing the video. So this is the first pair. And these are made with African print fabric. And they have shells on them. Okay, this is the first pattern, I should say. So these earrings are now in my shop, and they are for sale. I'm going to make sure that I leave the link and all that good stuff somewhere in the description box. Okay, so that's the first pair. Here are the second ones. They have this type of print on them. Okay, this is the front, and this is the back. On the back, they don't have the seashell, but on the front, they do. These are very lightweight. They're big earrings, but they're very, very lightweight. This is a spring and summertime deal. You can wear these earrings all year round, but they're just really lightweight. Okay, so that's the second pair. And my last pair has this print on them. And I have been doing a lot with this fabric here. This, to me, screams summer and spring and summer. Okay. And I can actually tell you how long these earrings actually are. They are 5.5 inches long. They're 5.5 inches long and about 3 inches wide. Okay. For those of you who like, and these to me, even though that they are the size that they are, they're comfortable. They're comfortable, they're different, they're unique, and you won't find this anywhere else. I do have a DIY that I did maybe a year ago, showing you how to make and create these. If at all possible, I will try to link that DIY to this video so that you all can go over. For those of you who want to know and learn how to make these, you can go over and click the link and learn how to make these earrings. Okay. So this is that pattern. So I want to thank you all so very much for taking the time out to watch and listen to this here video. I want to thank all my new and my super supporters. I also, if you are new, if this is your very first time here, please subscribe. Make sure you hit the all bell button, because I get so many people telling me that they cannot, sometimes they can't fire me, and it's because you have to make sure that you hit the bell. The all button is 3 settings. hit that all button, and I guarantee you that every time I post a video, you will definitely be notified. So I want to thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful and awesome day. Everyone, please stay safe, and give this video a thumbs up, like, and share. Have a wonderful day once again, and until the next one, see ya.